Appreciate y'all taking the time to join me this afternoon. You're now tuned in with Mr. Stacks, and we back at it again. Had to fill y'all in on what's been going on with BBIG. Some big news was released on this today as far as an article going that's been driving up this price. We had a massive move today. And if y'all aren't already in the know, I got to put y'all down on what's been going on with this stock today. All you new viewers out there, if you aren't already subscribed, hit that notification bell and be in the know every time I drop one of these, because right now we're about to make some moves. I'm not sure if we're about to moon or what, but I know for sure we're pushing to the upside and we're feeling real comfortable right now in one of our favorite stock picks here. As you can see, a lot of green in the market today on the scanner. BBIG we got up here with a couple of the others up here, but right now we're going to focus mainly on BBIG and what's going on with this stock here. So let's go ahead and dive right in just so y'all can see exactly what we're looking at. Let's go ahead and start with the daily here. But look at this massive move. Look at this green candle, man. It's like growing a tree over here. Look at that thing. Is that a candle or is that a tree? It looks like Jack and the Beanstalk over here, right? Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm goofy like that. But man, look at this chart, y'all. We broke back up. Last couple of days have been real healthy. Look at that. We squeezed back up into the channel. You know, we had the channel drawn here, as you can see, this dashed blue line. And we calling it a channel. Right now, we fell out of channel right here, and we were like, oh no, what's gonna happen? Are we gonna crash? I don't know. Well, I held on. I held on for dear life because these shares were now mine. You know, they weren't going nowhere. We already passed down one of these support levels here. So we were hoping on that reversal. We finally seen it. We broke back up. Big news published today. You know, making this candle just start to explode. And as you can see, we're back in the middle of some of our all-time highs. We're pushing at that $8 level that, you know, that's just feeling real right now. You know what I'm saying? We're hitting another support level here, a resistance level that is. And around like 855, I believe, is where we're tapping out on here a little before the market closed, or right at the market close. 855 is a support level we're having to break through. But as you can see, we pushed down and we're starting to push back up here. As you're looking on the 30-minute, we're already hitting that 812. We got up to like 820 a little while ago, just a couple of minutes ago, y'all. And we're looking to recover here, and we're really looking to see these all-time highs real soon. Before we get into why this stock is moving, I just had to let y'all know, you know, what I'm looking at here as far as the history behind this stock. You know, we've been riding it since the beginning, all the way down here, hitting these lows. We broke out. We've been on that zigzag run, hitting those highs. We could have sold, but we didn't because we thought we were going to moon, and we ended up crashing. But it wasn't just this stock. It was the market. So we can't give it all to BBIG. You know, it wasn't all the stock's fault. So there's a lot of other things going on. Everybody got spooked, kind of caused everybody to sell out. But you know, this stock was already ready to make moves, and what did it do? It just shot right back up. It just took some time to do it, and as you can see, we finally broke back up into where we need to be here. So now we're back at a good support level. We're looking to move higher, and right now, as you can see, we're kind of pushing little by little. I'm not sure if it'll happen today. We're hoping and we're watching. That's the reason why I had to put the video out today before the day ended. We still got about 2 hours or so before the market closes. Right now, we're not seeing a lot of, you know, pushing up power here, but you never know. You know, these things can come real fast. But I had to let y'all know and fill y'all in on what's going on before the pre-market tomorrow. If you ain't already watching this stock, you gotta add it to the watch list. You know, keep your eyes on this one, y'all, because this one I feel is really gonna moon soon. The gossip right now, as far as what's going around, you know, what's rotating or circulating around everybody in these forums and all the news. $40 price target, y'all. We got a $40 price target that was just called on BBIG. I'm not sure who's covering the stock, but who's pushing out these numbers. But we already know that this stock is doing big things. They got the Lomotive deal going on. They got all these other things going on that's just been published earlier as far as soundtrack streaming, and they're buying and buying more things and more things to build and grow their business, and it's always a plus. And the more that they're bringing in, the more that they're investing in, the more that they're just going to be worth. And at the end of the day, you know, the price is going to drive up. You know, that's what we're waiting on. I don't really know all the fundamentals behind the stock itself. That's something I still need to do my own analysis on. But as far as the news that I'm able to dig into and read about and fill myself in on, this is what I'm capturing, you know. And a lot of this is positive news, and as you can see, it's been doing some good things here. We got some other people tweeting about it, letting people know they're long on the stock, and it's also causing the price action here. But today itself, let me show y'all what's going on here. Oh, so Bingo Venture shares spike higher, seeking alpha, sets $40 price target. So, as you can see here, BBIG price target equals $40. Now, we can read through the whole thing, but pretty much it's just a summary of all the things that they've been doing lately. You know, they had Cryptide shares will soon be issued by BBIG as Tide spin-off dividend record date for shareholders to receive Tide shares and or about October 22nd. BBIG and Zash completed acquisition of Lemotive. That was back in July. Third-party independent valuation shows the combined companies have a valuation over $5 billion as of June 30th. And then they just had that. This was the recent news that AdRizzer, some ad company, I believe, that's going to be monetizing the Lemotive platform, showing their ads and things like that. But this is what recently happened back here on the 7th. I was seeing a little bit of price action that day, just a lot of resistance still on those key levels. But today we actually broke through all those levels. As you can see, this article is big news explaining everything that this company's doing, all the moves they're making, everything that they're involved in here. And there's a lot of good things going on. Now, y'all welcome to check out the link there itself. I can provide it in the descriptions if y'all aren't already in the know there. But check out the Seeking Alpha report. They got a breakdown on what the company is actually doing all around here, y'all. And this is what was published that caused this price to just take off. And as you can see, little by little, we're still pushing. We're trying to break up. You know, little by little, we're squeezing up on that 5 minute. You see that? Look at that big jump. We've had a little jump back here. You know, this was the 7th, I believe, when that AdRizzer news was released, but it wasn't enough. Come back down. Bam, look at that, y'all. So exciting. You see this? I mean, all these indicators are showing us things that we need to see. A lot of momentum is in the stock. You know, volatility is where it needs to be. It's more to the upside rather than the downside. And RSI is right where it needs to be. It's not overbought. So we're still looking to push higher here, you know, and it's just a matter of time. I'm not sure if it'll happen here in the after hours or if this is something that we're looking to do in the pre-market or even tomorrow. I know it's Friday. A lot of selling goes on Friday, so we don't know if this will make a pullback before it decides to move up. All I know is the support level I'm calling is about 771. We're looking, holding it around 780, 790. But as long as we don't come back below 775 or so, this is a good spot where I can call a support level here. And we're looking to hold that level and we can push higher. Just look at it, yeah. Give or take there. Where's that 4 hour at? So yeah. You see, this is where most of our previous prices were touching at. So that's where I'm going to call it there, y'all. But I'm feeling real good about BBIG. Now, that's some big news that's being published on this stock here. For those of y'all that aren't already in the know, y'all got to watch this stock. Get in before it takes off or y'all going to miss out. We have that high of $12.49. You know, even right now, we're at about $8 or so. You know, that's a $4 to $5 gap up there, y'all. So you can still make a nice chunk of change. And I'm $40, that's way up here, so it just takes us to squeeze up. That's all it takes. Short interest on the stock's also still pretty high. I believe it's close to 30% still last time I looked. High volume coming in, 147%, 108 million shares traded to our daily average of only 73 million. So you already know there's a lot of attention being drawn into this stock right now, and it's just a matter of time before we make that leap. But yeah, we're feeling good, y'all. Anything y'all want to, know on, please feel free to comment on, on the video here. I'd love to share some more insight on what it is I'm looking at or what I'm doing myself when it comes to trading this stock. We do also have the Discord. You're welcome to join. I'll leave the link below there. We can chat live as far as how these stocks play out. We do got a lot of other trades going on also that we're invested in. Looking to make some big moves also real soon. But I'll probably fill y'all in on those on the next video that I drop. But let me know what y'all think on this video here. Thumbs up, always appreciate it. And until we meet again, y'all, peace out.